Today we are going to make combo. Combo or combo?
Kumbo.
Combo. Combo. Alright, let's do it. Okay, let's go.
I'll get some banana leaves.
Okay, let's go. Where are the banana leaves?
Here. I'll choose the best one.
Those big ones?
Yeah, the big
Oh
one.
yeah, they're huge. Don't cut yourself.
Ah.
Whoa, that's big. Wait.
Dun, 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 dun,
Let's see.
dun. It's huge.
Okay. What's this for? Just to place everything on?
Yeah.
Oh, I hear thunder. It's going to rain. Okay, so we have banana and glutinous rice flour. Okay. Squish. Ah, fly right in my ear.
Can you add more, love? More flour.
Alright. How much? Tell me when.
That's enough.
Oi, spilling it.
the top?
I made a mess trying to take a video and add more flour at the same time. I mess on you too. It's going to rain.
Starting a fire. Oh,
Better start it quick.
don't stop quick.
The skies are getting dark. Video?
Yeah.
There, after many attempts, the fire has started. Okay, we've started cooking. And we better hurry up because there's lightning.
It will rain soon.
Yeah, it's gonna be wet. very sticky.
Ay! Super sweet.
It's breaking apart.
Yeah, it's not so perfect because our pan is a not non-stick pan.
It's non-stick. Oh, so it's too sticky. It's hard to take off. It's getting stuck to the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, these ones are done. Yummy.
I'm trying with this ball.
Mm. Yummy, yummy. Are they good enough to eat? Let me try. Let me try one. Oh, yeah, not too hot.
Yeah, you get enough. Si Papa call.
It's good. What?
Yeah. Sweet. Natural sweet, no sugar.
Yeah. The last three.
Malapit na umulan, tumutulo na nga eh.
Almost done. We're gonna beat out the rain. Done. Wow. Ooh, yummy.
Tara guys, kain tayo.
Good.
Good. Perfect snack.